Hello and welcome to Crewe Motor Match. My name is Greg and today we're going to be taking a look around this Mini Clubman. It's a John Cooper work, so it is very stylish and we're going to take a closer look around it. Key exterior features to note then are the automatic LED headlights, keeping you safe in a wide range of driving conditions, giving you maximum visibility on the road. It's also got the piano black and the red accents. Being the John Cooper works, it keeps it very on trend. If it's loading space that you're after, then look no further as you've got them opening barn doors, so it's very easy to get your weekly shopping or your golf clubs in the back of this Mini. Again, with it being a JCW, it does come with that very sporty rear fixed spoiler and the rather stylish LED tail lights. And in the scenario that you've got a celebrity in the family, then not to worry, this car does come with the rear privacy glass alongside the 18-inch very nice looking John Cooper Works grip spoke in high gloss black, which are really nice, completing that exterior feel. And as we move inside the cabin, you can see that this car does benefit from the stylish dash and door inserts alongside the Union Jack embossed headrests with the full leather upholstery, which is really comfortable and really supportive, and it's really easy to manoeuvre with a pump of the lever. When sat in luxury, you want to control luxury, and it's exactly what you get to do with this Mini Clubman. It's got a multifunctional perforated leather trim steering wheel with all the controls that you can need. On the right side you can see that there's voice commands, and on the left you've got your cruise control commands. There's also paddle shifters if you want to opt for a more sportier drive. And keeping your eyes on the road is this heads-up display, which is a really fun feature to have, ensuring that you're highly alert, especially on them long journeys when you may get tired. And keeping you very entertained on them journeys is the huge infotainment system. On the home screen you can see all the shortcuts there to the satellite navigation, which will keep you from getting lost. You've also got access to DAB radio, but if it is your own music taste that you would rather, you can connect your phone via Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring that your hands are always free. And if you were to require assistance from Mini themselves, this car does come with an app called Mini Connect, which takes you directly to the brand themselves. But if it's your own vehicle data that you are wanting to see, you can just simply click My Mini and it will come up with your driver's profiles and your systems. Lower down you can see that this car does come with dual climate control, which saves on a lot of arguments between the driver and the passenger, as everyone can be at their preferred temperature. Above the head there is a selection for ambient lighting, which is a really nice feature to have, especially if you need to tailor it to your mood for driving. Alongside that, keeping you safe in them tight car park spaces is the parking sensors and the rear view camera.